Something tremendous was chasing after that last fish I just caught. It was big, it was black. I don't know. It wanted to eat what I just caught. Wow, kind of scared to go back in the water. It is July 4th, the morning of. Ditched the fly rod, and I got my spinning rod out, and I'm looking to hammer a bunch of bass. Wow, hit it. Unless that was got something. Wow. The thing hit it quick. What is it? It's a smallmouth. I don't have my net and I don't want to hook my finger with these trebles. That's what I want. This thing does not feel. We got a fish. Bigger fish. Sunfish? Oh my God. There's a big fish going after my fish. Holy crapola. There was a big thing going after this. Something tremendous was chasing after that last fish I just caught. It was big, it was black. It had to be a catfish. It had to be a huge catfish. It was, I don't know. It wanted to eat what I just caught. Wow, kind of scared to go back in the water. All right, cast number 3. Scared to see what we're gonna pull out. We're in the water. We're in the falls. I feel like I'm in. Oh, we got a big fish. Yep. Oh, they're chasing each other. What the hell is going on? They're flipping out down here. Look at this guy. He's pissed. I'm so pissed. Wow. Maybe it was a huge bass. Maybe it was a tremendous bass. I don't know. Things are moving around over here. What is this, cast number 5? Let's go to the right. Oh, fish. They're jumping. They're jumping. I wish I had my net. That's why he's swimming towards me. Oh, now he's angry. Here he is. It's a feeding frenzy. Let's get another one. Cast number 6. I don't even know. I'm done counting. Not where I wanted to cast it, but it doesn't seem to matter if I cast it where I want to or if I don't. I don't know where this guy's going. I might. Okay. He came off. He was happy. He came off. Rod is getting broken in. This is the rod that I caught something with the first cast ever with it. On that, right by the Pine Grove Dew Ranch or whatever it's called. There's another cast. There you go. I was gonna, whoa! I was gonna say, dude, how did I not catch a fish? Look at the size of these things. They're getting bigger. Ow, spiked me. Ow. He got me. Got me. I'm exhausted. This is non-stop. And they're fired up. 4th of July firecrackers, bombs. All right. This little rod is doing its job. This line's holding up, taking a beating. Let's do it. Let's scared. Getting back in the game. Here it comes. Oh, bad cast. Is there such thing as a bad cast? I don't know. We're gonna see. Got a good set on this thing, whatever it is. It's coming up. It's big. Fish of the day. Fish of the day. Whoa, coming at me. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. Here comes the fish. Wow. There you go. It's like the faster I reel them, the more they hit them. Where are you? It's a nice bass. This is a pretty one. This is non-stop action. 4th of July coming at you. I haven't moved. I just wanted to check this spot out. Okay, keep casting. I saw that thing come up. Sneak attack. You work? Ow, you spiked me. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna move from this spot. Take a little bit of a breather. That guy. Huge bass. I think it. There we go. Get off. Roof and mouth. Best place to get them. Yeah, we got one. That's a wrap. The 2024 4th of July Bass Super Slam. I caught an abundance of smallmouth bass that were acrobatic, athletic, angry, and they were hungry. So it was a good wrap. 4th of July, hitting it hard. Now I gotta make it back to my truck. Maybe pull one more quick one out of here. We'll try one more. You know what? No. We've had enough. I don't know how many we caught. That's how we do. America, bro.